Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Lose weight fast and belly fat with ginger. Ginger is a root which is well known for its pleasantly spicy flavor and a wide range of health and beauty benefits. One of its most powerful benefits is promoting the weight loss process and targeting the stubborn belly fat. Ginger for weight loss and belly fat. According to a study published in the Journal of the Science and Food of Agriculture in 2014, gingerol, a compound found in ginger, can promote the weight loss process, speed up the metabolism, and improve the blood sugar levels and leptin levels. Moreover, ginger prevents obesity, lowers the bad cholesterol levels, promotes satiety, and helps in proper digestion. Furthermore, ginger fights the belly fat by targeting the culprits, including overeating, hormonal changes, and low energy. Ginger is a natural appetite suppressant and can be used in a wide range of ways. How to use ginger for weight loss. Here are several ways how you can include ginger in your diet. Chew on a thin slice of ginger root before your meals. This will speed up the metabolism, stimulate digestion, reduce cortisol production and boost energy. Grate a small piece of ginger and add a squeeze of lemon juice and a dash of salt. Consume a couple of small pinches of this mixture before your meals. Add ginger in your smoothies. Use ginger as a spice. Slice up fresh ginger and use it in stir-fries, soups, and sauces. Moreover, you can also consume ginger as a tea. The following energizing ginger lemon tea is extremely effective and beneficial. You should consume this tea on a daily basis to enjoy the benefits of ginger. Detox ginger lemon tea for weight loss. Ingredients: 2 inches, 5 centimeters, ginger root, 4 cups, 1 liter, filtered water, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, organic lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 milliliters, whole stevia leaf or honey. Instructions: First, chop the ginger root and infuse it in freshly boiled water for 5 minutes with a covered lid. Then, leave the tea to cool a bit and add honey and a squeeze of lemon juice.